Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. One of the dangerous topics, pitting corrosion. Let's talk about that. So what is pitting corrosion? Pitting corrosion is formation of cavity, hole or pit that forms in metal surfaces, hence the name pitting corrosion. Can you see? This is pitting corrosion. This is pitting. So out here, can you see? This is one pit, this is another pit, this is the third pit. So if this is your boiler water tube and these are the pits, slowly the pit becomes bigger and bigger and deeper and then there is a hole. Jai Mata Di. So pitting occurs when boiler is shut down for longer duration and inadequate oxygen scavenging. Oxygen is the biggest problem when it comes to pitting. Oxygen is the biggest problem. So let's see why. Pitting corrosion again is a type of electrochemical corrosion, galvanic corrosion in which one forms anode, one more forms cathode, but it is again concentrated type. We'll discuss. It's a form of localized corrosion prone to a particular area. So in this, what happens is, can you see over here? There will be a small anode and a huge cathode. So ये anode का काम करेगा तो automatically from only this area, the anode will keep moving and it will go deeper and a hole is formed. So it is a localized corrosion prone to a particular area in which there is a small anode resulting in a creation of galvanic cell. This cell leads to a development of pits, cavities or holes in the material. We can say that pitting corrosion is a type of galvanic corrosion, but in galvanic corrosion it can be one anode, one big cathode. But out here this is a small anode and a huge cathode. So it is like concentrated galvanic cell being formed and a hole is formed. Copied? Are your promotions slow? Not getting the respect that you deserve on board ship? If you are a marine engineer who is looking for faster promotions and earning respect on ship, then don't worry, Merchant Navy Decoded has your back. Introducing excellence packages for every rank now. You want to learn about purifiers, compressors, electronics, automation, MEGI engines, RT-Flex, ME engines. Don't worry, we are there. Learn anytime, online, offline, whether you are on land or on board ship. Engineers who invest on upgrading themselves, they lead. What are you waiting for? Go to the description box and you will find different ranks, different excellence packages. Start investing now. Jai Mata. So, pitting corrosion mein basically it's a galvanic corrosion, small anode, large cathode. But oxygen is like a catalyst which enhances or increases the rate of corrosion. So what happens is oxygen plays a vital role in pitting corrosion. So what happens? These are the pits. Say this is a pit, this is a pit, this is a pit. So this is the water going, boiler water in the boiler water tube, and these blue dots are the oxygen, dissolved oxygen inside this, right? So now what happens is, so this is your cathodic area, this tube is the cathodic. So this tube is your cathodic area and there is a pit over here. So in this pit, why this pit was formed? Maybe because of a galvanic cell forming, maybe because of mud, clay, concentration, different concentration of material, and there is a pit formed, small pit formed. Now in this pit, if oxygen enters, so now this oxygen entering, it forms a concentrated area of oxygen, and this is less concentrated area of oxygen. Now another galvanic cell is formed, and now the rate of galvanic cell increases, due to which this pit becomes bigger, deeper, and the hole is formed. So additionally, oxygen plays a vital role in pitting corrosion by becoming trapped within the pits, acting as a nodic site, leads to a formation of oxygen concentration galvanic cell, which will aggravate the corrosion process. Copied? So यहाँ पर oxygen concentration galvanic cell is formed. High concentration, low concentration. ले भाई जय माता दी. Along with normal galvanic cell, this cell will aggravate the corrosion process. It will accelerate by dissolution of metal within the pits. Copied? ये oxygen आया and it has increased. I hope no doubts. So now severe pitting occurs in which location? So if this is your boiler water level generally being maintained in boiler, say at 0 level. So just below that, this is that area where the maximum pitting happens. This is the area which the surveyor comes in and he is mostly likely looking at to see how much is the pitting happening over here. This is the most dangerous area. Why? Because it in this level that the water level is increasing and decreasing. Water level is increasing and decreasing. So due to surface phenomena where liquid to vapor and vapor to liquid occurs, because on this surface, guys, see, on this surface, it is this surface, when the water level is going down or increasing up, then coming down, increasing up, it is at this level, say water level, this level, it is at this level that the water is forming vapor, and then the vapor is forming water, right? Right? So, resulting, and due to surface phenomena where liquid to vapor and vapor to liquid occurs, resulting in cavitation like action, further resulting in impingements on metal, bum, water to vapor, bum. So it is impingement happening, resulting in impingements on metal, cavitation like action, exposing fresh metal for further corrosion. Copied, guys? So it is this area which is the most dangerous one and very important when it comes to pitting corrosion. Along with that, guys, you know, there is, if you have got floating debris over here, floating surface, they further lead to corrosion, guys. So this is the most dangerous area that you have to know. So whenever you go inside the boiler to inspect the area, this is the most important area apart from tubes that you have to inspect inside the steam drum. So you see, this is the boiler, and generally you see maximum corrosion happening, maximum pitting happening in this area itself. Copied? I hope this video makes some sense. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.